Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Whether I like it or not, screens are a part of our lives, and our kids use them, and our kids want volume, and sometimes it's not practical or I don't want to hear it. Having a good headset solves a lot of those problems, and this one by IFECCO has been a perfect choice. So this is made for toddlers. Look at this thing. You can bend it every way and it is not going to break. Super, super handy. Our dog even got a hold of it, chewed it up a little bit, and you can see his chew marks, but you still can hear through it. You can still charge it despite him chewing it. So these things are very durable for your toddler. Another thing I really appreciate is this does not go in her ears. It doesn't actually even go on top of her ears. It goes in front, as you can see on my ear here. So they still can hear me. And I feel like that's not going to damage their ears as much as a regular one would. It is very easy to connect to my phone or a tablet, whatever I'm using. So if you have a toddler and you're wanting a good headset, this one is really, really handy.
But that's just my point of view.